So next is problem 15 of the MIT integration book of example 16. The indefinite integral of x to the power 3 times the square root of x squared plus 1. So this is actually also fairly easy. Let's quickly see how we may be able to solve it. So we have x cubed times the square root of x squared plus 1 dx. I may want to express it as x squared times x squared plus 1 x dx. This is for the sole reason that I would want to substitute off this x squared, the square root of x squared plus 1. So I would say let u be equal to the square root of x squared plus 1, meaning that u squared is equals to x squared plus 1, denoting that 2u du dx equals to 2x. And so I may be able to substitute off dx with u du, actually x dx, yes, with u du. So in other words, x squared plus 1 x dx is equals to, from here I clearly see that x squared is equals to u squared minus 1. So I would say my integral is u squared minus 1. And then from here I see square root of x squared plus 1 is u. And then from here I see that x dx is the same as u du, right? So which means that our problem now is in the u domain, u squared minus 1, u times u is u squared du, which is now equal to u to the 4 minus u to the 2 du, which is the same as a fifth u to the 5 minus a third u to the 3 plus integration constant. But we said u is equals to the square root of x squared plus 1. So our problem now becomes 1 over 5 square root of x squared plus 1 to the power 5 minus 1 over 3 square root of x squared plus 1 to the power 3 plus c. So this is the same as a fifth x squared plus 1, 5 over 2 minus a third x squared plus 1, 3 over 2. Can pull out the x squared over x squared plus 1 to the power 3 over 2, so that I'm left in here with a fifth of x squared plus 1 to the power 1, yeah, minus a third. So which is equals to x squared plus 1 power 3 over 2. Common fraction, common denominator is 15. So we have 3x squared plus 3 minus 5, right? And the 3 minus 5 is going to be minus 2. So we have x squared plus 1 to the power 3 over 2. And we have 3x squared minus 2 over 15 plus c. So I may be able to say this is 1 over 15 of x squared plus 1, 3 over 2, 3x squared minus 2 plus the integration constant. So in other words, the integral of x cubed times the square root of x squared plus 1 is the same as 1 over 15 x squared plus 1, 3 over to the power 3 over 2, 3x squared minus 2 plus the integration constant. Let me just write this a little bit better. Let's right. So this here is our answer, and that was a quick derivation Other than that, thank you very much for your audience. Until next time, bye bye.